Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I wanted to go over a couple of things here real quick. Wanted to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled HVAC Royston, Georgia. And this area right here is what's called the Map Pack. Now the top 4 listed here are the ones that should be receiving a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. Now the way you can get yourself into these top 4 is by first having a Google business profile. Second, filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, phone number, photos, making sure everything's filled out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. Now the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search. And the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 3 so that people can find you. So I pulled up your website and just going over a couple of things here real quick. The first thing I want to talk about was the main thing you want to do with your site is you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage primarily, and this is for a couple of reasons. Now the first reason being is that if let's just say your competitors have about 1,000 words on their homepage, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. Now the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website, and they try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you're going to look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords. And keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled HVAC Royston, Georgia, if there was something similar to that all over your website, to become really relevant for that search. And Google is going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you were to look at your website, it's really important to make sure there's enough content on there and the keywords throughout, and that'll really help your website rank. So I wanted to pull up one of the competitors in the area just to kind of show you what you're up against. And to be quite honest, there's not a lot that you are up against except for a couple of service professionals type thing. But the rest of them are pretty, the back end is pretty low considering. So I pulled up Healthy Climate just to kind of show you what that looks like. And one of the things I wanted to go over real quick was the UR and the DR ratings because these are super important where you fall in the Google search results. So a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is. And the higher up they are, the more powerful the site is and the better it's going to rank in the search results. Now, one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through a thing called a backlink. Now, all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you, and they're sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. So what we can do is we can click on the ones they have, go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. And lastly, I want to talk about the organic keywords in the content that I had mentioned previously. So since there's not a long list, just to kind of give you an example, the volume column is what we take a look at in terms of keywords and how many times people are searching for them in a month. Okay. So just starting off with a couple of them, climate heating and cooling, 250 people look for that. And it's different with the and then the and. So 250 people look for that. Quality climate heating, 10 people looking for that. Healthy climate solutions type situation, 200 people. So they don't have a lot of keywords to work with, but those are the ones that are being ranked for them. But it's important to get in front of these people, and the more people that you're able to get in front of, the more people that are going to find you, and the more people are going to call, and in turn, more business you're going to get. So I hope this information was helpful for you, and I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So take care and have a great weekend.